Succulents are great for me because they don't require a lot of attention, and I'm not very good at paying attention to my plants. Hi everyone, it's Miss Kate.
I'm Miss Hazel.
I don't know about you, but quite often we end up with these plastic containers that could go in the recycling bin, but we have a plan for today. At our house, we have a very small yard, so a lot of our plants are in pots.
Yes.
Same thing.
Yeah.
So I was thinking, what if we painted one of our containers? This was a cottage cheese container because I love cottage cheese.
Yeah.
And so I painted it. I'm going to show you what we did. This one had printing on it, so I first painted it all white to try and, or the writing, I tried to cover up the writing, and then I painted over it and then added some details.
What kind of paint did you use, Miss Kate?
This is acrylic. It's all acrylic paint. I am going to end up Mod Podging it because I'm going to put it outside, but today we're just going to put the plants in anyway. This one has no writing on it after I took off the label, so now I can just paint. After I painted it white, I let it dry, and then I painted it this turquoisey kind of color, and then I let that dry, and then I added these other pieces right here. We also have to have holes. This is where you need to ask permission or get some help. This isn't all. You could also use a pair of sharp scissors to poke holes in it, but you need some holes for everything to drain, for the water to drain out.
Or a screwdriver?
Or a screwdriver. Yeah, we don't have one of those in here, do we? Okay. We're gonna see. Hopefully I won't hurt myself. Nope, I did not hurt myself.
Miss Kate, sometimes I like to put the awl down and then tap the top of the awl with my hand so I'm not spearing my...
That would probably be safer.
Try it like that.
Okay.
Now tap, tap, tap the top.
Oh,
And
right
you're
in.
not...
Either way, works. But now I have holes. I can see
Remember,
it.
we work with little friends. We want to
I
keep
know.
them safe.
So they don't do it exactly the way I did it. But get some help. So now I'm going to put some dirt in here. And try not to make a giant mess.
We do like a good mess.
I know. Add some more dirt in here. And tap it down. I don't want it to be too hard in there.
This could be a nice gift to give someone, because it's combining like nature with a piece of artwork that you made.
So these succulents came from my yard. Sadly, I don't know what any of them are called, but I picked them and let them sit for a little bit so that they can be ready to put into the dirt. Succulents are great for me because they don't require a lot of attention, and I'm not very good at paying attention to my plants. Here's one. I'm going to just, using my finger, just dig a little space for it, put some dirt around it again. Do the same here. And then they're going to grow a lot, and then I can use some of the cuttings from that to put into different pots again later. If you're doing succulents though and picking from a plant that's already there and it's not your plant, you need to ask for it first.
Yeah, that's a good idea, Miss Kate.
Yeah, don't take plants from other people because they don't really appreciate it very much. So look at this. Maybe a little bit more dirt in there would have been good, but this is going to go live in my yard after I Mod Podge the outside of it. But the water, so I'm going to turn it a little bit this way so you can see. The water will drain out of here so that there's not a bunch of water sitting inside. Okay, and there you have it. A plant made out of a container. You could use any size. If you eat a lot of yogurt in sizes like this, or even a little bit smaller, you could save those, clean them, and then paint them and turn them into planters. Thanks for coming, everyone. We'll see you soon. I'm going to clean up my mess here. We'll see you soon. Thanks. Bye.
Bye, friends.